Hello and welcome back to Epic Spike Minecraft, and today I am going to show you how to make a redstone the new wireless redstone pulse with 1.7 using /setblock command. And basically how it works is there's a command block that, it'll be easy to explain if you saw my last video, which what I did in my last video is I showed you how to make a one-tick pulse and a one-tick pulser using the same method, and it'll just quickly summon a block, then get rid of it in the time of one tick. And what I'm gonna do in this video is basically the same thing, but it'll last for more than one tick. And so over here, it's, as you can see, it's basically the same design, except I'm using a redstone torch instead of a repeater, and I'm doing that because so the pulse lasts as long or a little bit longer than the button. But so anyway, I'll show you. Here are a few tests that I've made to show you that it works pretty well compared to using comparators. This is a really long redstone signal. I made it really long to show you that if you were actually going to have this long of a redstone signal, but in like a straight line, to a different place, then it would be much easier to use the wireless redstone. So the old method that was used for wireless redstone signal originally, people started using in 1.5, and what it was is basically it was a signal like this, and then it was this, and then you do that, and then there's a clock like that went like this, and then you type slash scoreboard set, and then I won't do the whole command, but basically you would have a command block somewhere off a random spot that would have a scoreboard that would have a command in it that set a scoreboard or a score from the scoreboard command to 1, and this would constantly trigger a command block over here. This would be a clock triggering a command block over and over until it finds that signal that was set to 1, and then once it was set to 1, it would set it back to 0, but the comparator would output a redstone signal. So you could use that redstone signal and you could activate it from anywhere. And so this is get rid of this. But so this is a simpler way to do it in 1.7 with the new setblock /setblock command, which basically you can set a block anywhere or spawn a block anywhere you want with just typing in the coordinates. So I have setblock ~2 ~0 ~1, and that'll set a block right here, and then this is what removes it. And so I will press this button and it'll start the test. As you can see, that time this was obvious. This light obviously went on much faster than this, and I'll show you it again in case you didn't see it. As you can see, it went on instantly, which so using this is actually the same as using a simple redstone pulse without any repeaters, because it's instant, and I will prove it to you once I get to that test. And this one I just used one repeater, which I could do it at 1 tick, but it's really hard to notice the difference. You have to have a really sharp eye, or whatever you call it, to notice it. And so I'll just show you right here. Oh, alright, move my screen so you couldn't see it. So right here, I'll do it again. So you can see it went on just a little bit faster. And for here, this one I have a basic redstone signal set up, so I'll just show you that. And as you can see, they both go on at the same time. And this one has a bit of a delay for turning off. That's the only problem with this, because the redstone torch, for it to turn back on, it actually has a delay on it. So a 1 tick delay. So yeah. And so how to build it is and I actually found one fix for the delay here, but it makes it a bit less compact. You have to put like 2 or 3 redstone repeaters here, leading to the next command block, depending on how long you want the pulse to be. And so I'll just do the basic design that I used. So button here, then you do /set block. Oh right, I need to have the output. The output I will just use a simple redstone lamp, and I will put it right here. Put it right there. So what I want to do here is I want to move the block up 2, and then move it over Z. Okay, so /set block tilde 0 tilde. Well, actually, no, I want it to be tilde 1. Set block tilde 1, tilde 2, and then tilde -1, I think it should be. And then this, if I did it right, it should spawn. Oh right, I need a deuce, and then 152, which is the command block or the ID of a redstone block. And so if I did this right, it should spawn right there. And the command is instant, so like I said, it's as fast as a normal redstone signal without any repeaters or anything. And so that's really all you need, but unless you want it to turn off. So what you do when you want it to turn off, for the part that turns it off, is /set block, oops, it's on caps, set block, this would be tilde -1, tilde 2, tilde 1. That should work. And then, oh no, that didn't. Okay. Oh wait, maybe this. No. Okay, so, and then what I do to make sure if it's not doing it right, I set it to 1. So that spawns a stone block. There's the problem. So it's spawning it on the wrong side. So I want to make it on. I want to change this to 1. And then now if I run it again, that should. Oh no. Apparently this was right. I guess this should be -1. Yeah. And now this should change to stone when I. Okay, yeah, now it changed to stone. So, and actually, you don't really need to change it to 0, which is air. You could just change it to a different block, like let's see, 7. I'm guessing 7 is a block. Yeah, so I just changed it to bedrock, and I could do it with any block, but I really prefer to change it to air. So, and then it has a little bit of a delay, like I said, with the redstone torch, but you could backset that delay by making a separate pulse, but again, it would make it less. So I could actually do this. it would make it less compact. And then, oh, got rid of the light on accident. Whoops. Anyway, so, okay, so that was, so I could do that. So actually, I think I can, here. So, yeah, so that's good. You need 2 repeaters. So take note of that. You could use 2 repeaters set all the way back, and then that should give it the same pulse as a button. So yeah, that's basically it. If you're doing it from if you're doing the redstone, if you're making the redstone block go really far back, then you could actually just do instead of using the tildes with to make sure, or to make it do how far away it is from the command block, you could just do the coordinates instead of using tildes. If you could still use the tildes if you wanted to, but you don't have to if it's really far away. I prefer using the coordinates when it's really far away. So, but that's just me. So that's about it. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good, yummy, delicious stuff. That came out weird. But yeah, that's about it. See ya.